This is what that new one's gonna look like. Here's the old to new comparison.
Hey guys, that's Mike here. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. So today's video, working on the 2022 again. We're gonna be changing out the tag lights. I do not know why Ford gave us halogen tag lights when literally cargo lights are LED, reverse lights are LED, headlights, fog lights, not tag lights though. So we picked up some LED tag lights here. They gave us quite a lot of them right here. And so we're gonna go ahead and take those out, and it'll look like this. So as you can see here, I have nice LED tag lights, super bright. And I do have the cargo lights up there. But yeah, just more stuff for 2022. So it's pretty easy. You just go underneath and you pop out the bulb. So like for example, I look right here, right underneath here, you just twist that, pops out, put the new bulb in. Literally no tools, nothing crazy. All right, so here's the new one. Truck. Keys. Nice and bright. Nice and bright. And these don't even work. So when you put them back in and you turn them and put them back in the slot. Easy work. No tools required. Pop it back in. Unlock. Yep, there they are.
How worn out that one is. So we're gonna be replacing that with a brand new one. And this is what that new one's gonna look like. Here's the old to new comparison. So what you want to do is just put it right back in where it came from.
Probably test it.
We're gonna test it real quick. It works. So what we can do now, put this cover back on. Okay, I got it. You just turn that and then put it right back to its original spot. And it should just snap back in. And there you go. That is the final look. And now we have LED lights on both sides.
All right, so we're both done. F150 LED tag lights there and there, both done. Cargo lights, both done as well. Like I said, not sure why they put the halogen bulbs there, but they did, and they weren't even working. So that's how you change them out. Super simple, no tools required. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you on the next video, guys. Peace.